With this video, I'm running a virtual machine inside another virtual machine. I'll show you how to do this project, how to install the VirtualBox, how to run and enable virtualization inside the machine, and it will show you how to run and install any operating system inside that virtual machine. So basically, my computer is Windows 11, and inside that, I'm running another virtual machine with Windows 11, and inside that Windows 11, I'm not running another one. So I'll show you right now what I mean, and we'll go through it step by step. So let's get started with this video. So here I have a virtual machine and VirtualBox installed. So we're going to do this using VirtualBox. And first, what I have to do is just to install and create a new virtual machine for Windows 11. And if you don't know how to do that, you just can follow one of my videos in my channel and you can find how to install a VirtualBox and how to install Windows 11 inside VirtualBox. So after doing that, what you have to do is just to go to settings of your virtual machine and go to system and go to processors and make sure to enable nested VTX and AMD virtualization. So make sure to enable this option, click on that and press on OK. Then what you have to do is just to start and open this virtual machine. So inside that, we're going to install VirtualBox again, and we are going to download Windows 11 and run another virtual machine. So I have already downloaded Windows 11 ISO file. So I have it in my base or in my host machine here in Windows 11. If I go to this PC here I have the ISO file, but if you haven't downloaded that, you can just go to Google and download the ISO file. I'm not showing it right now because I have shown it multiple times in my videos. It's very easy. After the Windows 11 has started, here I have Windows 11, and I'll make a little bit smaller. So the first thing is to download and install Oracle VirtualBox. So let's go to Microsoft Edge and I'll search for a download VirtualBox, and here in the first link, click on Windows host, and this will download the exe file, but I'll cancel it because I have downloaded. And another thing that you have to download it is Microsoft C++ 2019. So just search for Microsoft C++ 2019, go to the first link, and here we have different versions, but you have to scroll down and go to this option x64 and click on that. So that this will directly download the VS Redis x64-bit. So here you have to now install them. Go to downloads folder, here downloads, and here I have a VirtualBox exe and also the VC Redis. First install VC Virtual C++. So just click on install, but I have already installed it. But what you have to do is just to go to 3 steps and press install. Then you can close it, and now you have to install VirtualBox. So double click on VirtualBox exe file, and I have already downloaded and installed this too, but I'll show you right now how to do. So press yes and next, and I have installed, so it's asking me to repair or remove. So you just have to go through installation steps. Now close it, and here is another file that is Windows 11 ISO file. This is a ISO file, this 5 gigabytes that I have downloaded. You can download it here if you want. You can go and download Windows 11, and here is the link. Scroll down, choose multi-edition, download, choose English or your language, and then you have just to press a 64-bit download, and this will download the ISO file. But I have downloaded and I have it in my downloads folder, but I had this ISO file in my host or main operating system. But if you want to move it inside this virtual machine, what you can do is just to go to devices, in drag and drop, make sure to enable this option here. If you enable this option, now you can drag and drop files into a virtual machine. And if I have a file, for example, here I have the Windows 11, and I can just drag it and drop it inside, and this will move the files inside that virtual machine. This is how I did it. So now what I have to do is just to run a VirtualBox inside the virtual machine. So I will search for a VirtualBox, and here I have the VirtualBox. Now let's create another VM or virtual machine like we do always. So click on new and put a name. I will name it Win11, and here in the ISO image, choose other, and here in the downloads folder is the ISO file. Click on open, and here you have to choose the edition you want. I will go with Windows 11 Home, and we'll click next, and we'll click next, and here choose a name, username, and put a password for your virtual machine to log in, and then click next. Here make sure to choose as much megabytes of RAM and processors that you can, but here I have only about 5 gigabytes and processors. I'll go with 5. Click on next. This machine is okay, so you can go ahead and click on finish. As soon as you click finish, the VirtualBox will run the virtual machine and will start the installation of Windows 11. So we are installing Windows 11 inside a Windows 11 VirtualBox, and the main operating system is also Windows 11. Now you have to press any key to continue, so press anything you can, and now it should start the installation. So I'm gonna speed up the video and we'll show you later how it goes. Okay guys, as you can see now it started to copying files and getting started the installation.